Allie and Bert here today to teach you all about almond croissants. My hair's a little crazy at the moment, partly because there's a bird in it a lot of the time, and also because it's been so wet and rainy, so I'm just trying to embrace the natural texture. So, almond croissants. This video is meant as a companion to the recipe post on my site, bakingamoment.com. So if you're looking for the list of ingredients, the quantities, the bake time, the bake temperature, then click the link that I'm putting into the description. That's where you'll find all that information. The video itself is really meant purely as a companion to that, to show the steps and hopefully be helpful to more of a visual learner. Here's what you're gonna need to make almond croissants. Granulated sugar, hot water, some kind of extract, I'm using vanilla, stale croissants, frangipane, sliced almonds, and powdered sugar. Start by mixing up a lightly sweet flavored simple syrup. Whisk sugar, hot water, and the extract of your choice together until the sugar has dissolved. Then have your stale croissants horizontally like you're making a sandwich. Dip the bottom half into the simple syrup to moisten it. Spread on about 2 to 3 tablespoons of frangipane. The frangipane recipe can also be found on Baking a Moment. Dip the croissant tops next, then place them on top. Spread a little more frangipane on the tops so the flaked almonds have something to stick to. Then bake in a hot oven until toasty. Again, if you're looking for ingredient quantities, bake time and temperature, just click that link in the description and you'll find everything you need there, plus loads of helpful tips and answers to frequently asked questions. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Say bye, Bert. Say bye.